Hello viewers, in this video I will guide you how you can apply to the Finnish universities for master or PhD programs or scholarships. First of all, you will write Upintu Pulku. Upintu Pulku means study path or study guide or whatever. So you have to click on the first link. So change language to English. In English, and then here you will write your program name. For example, if you are looking for a program in agriculture, you can write that, and all the programs that are related to this keyword agriculture will open, and you can look to all the programs, and you can filter your search by selecting if you are looking for a bachelor degree or bachelor plus master or master degree or doctoral degree. You can choose the option here. You can filter your search, or you can also write the name of university in the search bar, and you will get all the courses that are specific to that university. And there are also non-degree studies available. For example, some vocational courses. So such as UAS is the University of Applied Sciences bachelor degree, master degree. So this is a portal for all master, bachelor, or for the PhD degrees, or even postdoctoral programs also appear here. So if you want to apply to a specific program, this is the number of the program 31. So first of all, you will click on the program link, and this will direct you to the page. So this is the card of the program. You have to click on this card and you will get more information about that program. And this is the education type. This is university education, language, and credits 120, and this is the duration 2 years, and teaching time daytime, and form of teaching contact teaching. If you want to come in Finland, and then your program should have a contact teaching. If it has online teaching, then you can't get into the get to the Finland. You can't come. Your visa will not be issued because you can access to the course in your home country. You don't need to come in Finland. And the tuition fee is 15,000 euro. This is the tuition fee for non-European students. But if your application is good, then you can get even 100% scholarship. There are scholarships available in every university, such as a Finland scholarship is available to each university of the Finland, because I think according to the Finnish rules. And this is the description of the program. What is the aim of the program, and what is the purpose of this program, why you should apply to this program, what are the outcomes of this program. And this is the separate application. So in the Finland there are two types of applications: separate application and joint application. In separate application you apply to one program, or in the joint application you can apply to I think 6 different programs. But you have to choose one program. For example, if you receive admission letter from 2 programs, you can accept only one program from them. So in the separate application you will apply to each program separately, and this is the application begins. Main application start from December 1 and it ends in to January 4. So I think next year maybe they change this date or give a new date. So please check this page again and again if you want to apply for this program. So when the application open, then this link will be available. You can click on this link and your application form will be started. And this is the admission criteria, what kind of documents are required, and certificates or eligibility criteria or attachments and admission procedure. So admission criteria is that you have a higher education degree. For example, you are applying to the master degree program, then you should have a relevant degree or whatever it is written, because every university has a different requirement. You have to read all the details. And sufficient skills in Finnish, Swedish or English. You can click on the link, or you can also go to the university page where you can look what are the language requirements for this university. For example, this is the University of Helsinki. You can search about the University of Helsinki and you can go to the language requirements. And these are the applicable studies and study track, because in some of the courses you have to choose different tracks, and this is just the general information about the specific degree, and selecting the language of the degree and admission procedure. And this is the applicability of previous studies. For example, if your previous studies are relevant to this degree, you will get higher scores in your application. And this is the motivational letter. So please be specific about the motivational letter. Please write those things that are mentioned here, and please be specific about the pages of the motivational letter. About, I think in some of the programs you need only 1 page, in some programs you need 2 pages motivational letter. And for example, if you want to get more information about this program, then you can copy the keywords, and then if paste into the different tabs, and you can search about this program on the university website. And this program is available in the University of Helsinki. University of Helsinki is one of the top university in the world. It is the top 100, I think, in the top 100 universities. So you will get more information about your specific program, because we are on the program page now, and you can click on the program. For example, if you are interested in master program in agricultural sciences, you will get more information. For example, when the application period is started, when it will end, what is the fee of the program, and what kind of languages are required. So if you know the Finnish, you can join this program. If you know the Swedish, you can. Even if you have English language, then you can join this program. So there are different news about this program, and I think if you go in the university main menu, you can get information about the admission and procedure. I am just giving you information so that how you can search about a specific degree. So you can also explore other universities as well. So in the admission and education, you can look at how you can apply to the doctoral program, how to apply to the bachelor or master degree programs. So all the information is available here. For example, how to search for the programs and the courses. And this is the innovation and cooperation, what kind of the news are available, what kind of research. And this is about the campus facilities, So I think it is enough for today. So maybe in the next video I will tell you about any other course that is available, because every university requirement is different. You have to check the language requirements. For example, in some of the universities language certificate is not required, but in the most of the universities in Finland language certificate is required. Thank you so much for watching the video.